Hello, my wonderful students. Welcome back to my channel. So, today we are going to see the part 2 video of We the Travelers Class 5 Max. Okay, so part 1 video is already completed. If you missed to watch the video, understand the concept, and then you start part 2 video. Otherwise, it will be confusing for you. First, watch the part 1 video. And if you want worksheet for your exam practice, you have to join the channel. For example, if you're watching this video, what you have to do is
Only 6
you
days
have to
must.
click the video and go to the description box. Okay, go to the description box. There you can able to see join the channel to get access to the question paper. Just click that link. It will take you to joining option. There you can select class 1 to 8 exam worksheet and pay 119. And students and parents, this is the monthly payment, not one time payment. It's every month you have to pay 119. So once I complete each chapter, I'll be sending worksheet for practice. So the worksheet will look like this. Okay, this is the worksheet for We the Travelers. And I have few more worksheets for you to show. So this is the We the Travelers number 1 worksheet and fraction worksheet. Not only this, I'll be sending question paper sample for your exam also. So that is going to be very important. All right. So now we will go to part 2 video. Okay, here. More fuel, more arithmetic. Okay, so now let's see this one. A minibus has 18 liter of fuel. After refilling, the fuel meter indicates 65 liters. So how much the fuel has been filled in the fuel tank in a minibus? So initially it has 18 liter. So once the fuel has been refilled, now the meter is showing 65 liters. So how many liters of petrol or how many liters of fuel has been added so that the 65 liters is showing? So this one, they are given the method here, and 85 dash is 65 liter. So we have to go to the problem which we have already done here. So do you remember the relationship between addition and subtraction? Same thing we have to do here. For example, I'll show you a small one. So 5 plus 3 equal to 8. Okay, so 5 plus 3 equal to 8. So now we have this answer and this answer. We are finding out this one in this question. So a minibus has 18 liters of petrol. For example, you imagine a minibus is having 5 liters of petrol. After refilling, the fuel meter indicates 8 liters. How much fuel has been filled in the fuel tank in the minibus? 3 liters of fuel has been filled. So how we will get this 3? We have to minus 8 from 5. So minus 8 from 5, you will get the answer 3. Okay, likewise here you have to minus 65 liters and 18 liters, you can able to find the answer. So here they have given 65 and 18. So 5 cannot be subtracted by 8. So they have borrowed it from 6. So 6 becomes 5 and 5 becomes 15. So now 15 minus 8 is 7. 5 minus 1 is 4. So 47 liters, or 18 plus 45 liters is 65 liters. Okay, the quantity of fuel filled is 65 liters minus 18 liters, which is 47. Okay, you can also cross check it. How we can cross check it is we have to add 18 plus 47. Okay, so 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 1 plus 1 is 2, 2 plus 4 is 6. We got this 65 liters. Okay, next. Let us solve. What is the difference between 82 and 37? So now we have doing with tens and ones. So 82 minus 37. So 2 cannot be subtracted by 7. So you have to borrow here. So this becomes 7 and this becomes 12. So 12 minus 7. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. And 7 minus 3. So 7 minus 3 is 4. So this is 45. So how we can cross check it? We can cross check by adding 45 and 37. So 45 plus 37. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 balance 1. So 4 plus 4 is 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 82 we are getting here. Okay. So next we have some few questions so that we have to subtract it. So we will do one by one in this place. So first we have 57 plus 11. So 57 plus 11. So tens place and this is in ones place. I'll write in red color or green color. So this is tens place and this is ones place. Okay. So 7 minus 1 is 6. 5 minus 1 is 4. So we are getting 46. So what is the rule now? 46 plus 11 equal to 57. Okay. So this one is 46. Next question. I'm going to do only few sums, students, not all the sums. So next we have 56 minus 18. So 56 minus 18, 6 cannot be subtracted by 8, so we can borrow here. So this becomes 4 and we are getting 10 here, so this becomes 16. So 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 8 and 4 minus 1 is 3, 38. Okay, next 70 minus 43. So what is 70 minus 43? So 70, we have 43. So this becomes 6, this becomes 10. So 10 minus 3. So 10 minus 3 is 7. 6 minus 4 is 2. So 27. And if you add 27 plus 43, you will get 70. Okay, so I'll do this one, 49 minus 21. So 49 minus 21 is 49 minus 21 is 28, and when you add 28 plus 21, I'll add here itself. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 2 plus 2 is 4. You will get 49. Okay. Likewise, next we have 84 minus 23. 84 minus 23 is 61. So when you add 61 plus 23, you will get 84. Okay. And 84 minus 23, you will get 61. Okay. Likewise, if you subtract 84 minus 61, you will get 23. Alright. So next one. Sum of consecutive numbers. So the number Numbers that follow one another in an order without skipping any numbers are called consecutive numbers. Okay, this question you might get in your 1 mark question. What is consecutive numbers? Or fill in the blanks, they will ask you like a number in order without skipping any number is called dash number. Then you have to write consecutive numbers. Okay, so these are the example 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 29, 30, 31, 32, 512, 513, 514, 15, 16. Or look at these number. There is no number skipping in between. So you can also write 7, 8, 9, 10 and tell me whether this is consecutive. 5, 6, 9, 10. Is this consecutive number? This one? This is not a consecutive number because we are missing number 7 and 8. 7, 8 is not there. 5, 6, 7, 8. 7, 8 is not there. Directly we went to 9 and 10. So this number is a consecutive number. 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. So sum of two consecutive numbers, sum of three consecutive numbers and sum of four consecutive numbers. Okay, here. So look at this. Sum of two consecutive number. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 4 plus 5 is 9. So look at this. Here we have one even number and one odd number. We are getting odd number. Likewise, one even number, one odd number, you are getting odd number. One odd number, one even number, you are getting odd number. So here we can able to understand when we add odd number plus even number, we are getting odd number. Okay, and sum of three consecutive numbers. So this is sum of three consecutive numbers. So let's see what we are getting. So based on this, we have some question and answers also. So in each of the box above, state whether the sum are even or odd. Why this is happening? An example. Why this is happening? Let's see with an example here. So if we see in each box, so let's see the box number 1. In box number 1, even number plus odd number, we are getting odd number. So here one number is odd and another number is even. So all the sums we are getting here is odd number. And in the second box what we are having sum of three consecutive number 1, 2 and 3 which is equal to 6. So here we have one even number, one odd number and again we have one even number and the result we are getting is even number. Okay, and we have two even number and one odd number, again we are getting odd number. And when we have two odd number and one even number, we are getting the result as even number. So what we can able to find out, the sum alternate between even and odd depending on the starting number. Okay, if you see the starting number here, it is an odd number, but the answer is even number. And here it is starting with even number, the answer we are getting odd number. Here we are starting with odd number, the answer we are getting is even number. Likewise, even number and the answer we are getting is odd number. And the sum of four consecutive number. So when we see the sum of four consecutive number, we are always getting even number. That is because we are having two even numbers and two odd numbers. So always when we add two even number and two odd number, the sum are even number. So this type of questions very important. Okay. So next we will see what is the difference between two successive sum in each box. Is it the same throughout? So we will see that. Students, if you want, I have framed the sentence. You can copy the answer for solution 1. So it will be easy for your exam preparation. You can pause the video and you can copy the answer. I'll just wait for 1 minute. Okay, we'll go to the next one. Okay, so the next is the difference between the successive sum in each box is the same throughout. Let's see. So for example here, when we see the difference between 5 and 3, we are getting 2. 7 minus 5. So 7 minus 5 we are getting 2. 9 minus 7 we are getting 2. Here 9 minus 6, 3. 12 minus 9, 3. 15 minus 12, 3. And here 14 minus 10 is 4. 18 minus 4 is 4. 22 minus 4 is 4. Okay, so the answer how we can frame is, I'll write and show you. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, first one, the difference between two successive sum is always 2. Okay, and the next one, the difference between two successful sum is always 3. The difference is same throughout. The difference is same throughout. It's not going to change. Even it's 2, throughout it's going to be 2. Even it's 3, throughout it's going to be 3. Again for box 3, here the difference between two successful sum is 4 and the difference is same throughout. It is not going to change. Okay, next. So what will be the difference between two successive sums for 6 and 5 consecutive numbers? Okay, we will do this. So first we will do 5 consecutive numbers. So we have 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5. So 5 consecutive number. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Next we will have 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So 6 plus 5 is 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, we will do one more. So 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So 7 plus 6 is 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So what is the difference here? Change the color. So what is the difference? 5. Again this is also 5. 25 minus 20 is 5. So this difference is not going to change. Even when you do the next step, it will be 30. 30 minus 25 is 5 again. Let's see 6 consecutive number. If you're doing 6 consecutive number, so 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. So how much you are getting? 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Again you are adding 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7. So how much you are getting? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27. You're getting 27. So now 27 minus 21, you will get 6. Okay, when you do the next step also, you will get the difference between 6. Alright, next. Let us see more interesting patterns in sum. So we are going to see interesting patterns in sum. So here 2 plus 3, 1 plus 2 plus 3, which is equal to 6. Okay, and when you add these two numbers, you are getting 4 here. Likewise, when you add these two numbers, you are getting 6. So let's find out what is the interesting pattern here, okay? Okay, so I will take blue. Okay, it's already in blue. So we have 1, 2, 3. So 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3, we are getting number 6. But when you see the interesting fact here is, when you add the first number and second number, you are getting 4, which is half of the middle number. Likewise, here when you add 2 and 4, you are getting 6, which is again half of the middle number. So here again 3 plus 5 is 8, which is half of the middle number. Okay. So likewise here, if you see, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 is 10. When you add the first number and the last number, you are getting 5. And again you add the third number and the next number, you will get 5. So here 2 plus 5 is 7. Again 3 plus 4 is also 7. So 3 plus 6 is 9. Again 4 plus 5 is also 9. So in this pattern, if you see, so 1 plus 5 is equal to 6. When you are leaving the middle number, when you add these two numbers, you are getting 6. Again 2 plus 6 is 8 and 3 plus 5 is also 8. Okay, so 3 plus 7 is 10. Again 4 plus 6 is also 10. So these facts are very interesting, and this comes in a pattern of the sum. Okay, so next, notice how the sums of 3, 5, 3, 4 and 5 consecutive numbers are related to the number being added. Use your understanding to find the following sum without adding the numbers directly. So without adding the numbers directly, we have to find the sums now. So we have 67, 68 and 69. So I will do with one example. Okay, so look at this picture I have given along with an example. So this is the first one. So what did we see? So what we have to do is we have to add first these two numbers. So 67 plus 69. 67 and 69. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 6 balance 1. 6 plus 6 is 12, 12 plus 1 is 136. So 136 is here. So 136 half is 68. Okay. Likewise, we have 24 and 27. 24 plus 27 is 51 and 25 plus 26 is also 51. Okay. So next one, we have 48 and we have 52. 48 plus 52 is 100, and when we add 49 plus 51 also, we will get 100. Okay. And the last one, what we have to do? We have to add 237 plus 242, which is 478. And when you add 328 and 248, you will get 478. And when you add 329 and 440, also you will get 479. Okay, so you have to understand these things. You have to add and put, but you have to show this in arrow mark, or you can show like this also. So you can put A and you can draw 337 plus 242 equal to 479. Okay, and you have to put arrow mark and show, so that you will get the mark. Okay, so this is the solution. If you want to, you can copy this. Next. So next one, the longest land route adding large number. Okay, we have India map here. The longest distance one can travel by road is between Talon in Russia and Sars in Portugal. It is 15,150 kilometers long. In 2019, the North Sound Corridor was the longest land route within India, starting from Srinagar in Jammu Kashmir and ending at Kanyakumari in Tamil Nadu. Do you know how long it was? Let us find out. So we have the map given here. Okay. And where is Jammu and Kashmir? Here we have Jammu and Kashmir. And here we have Kanyakumari. So when you see the map, it is like this. And it is also the longest distance inside India. Okay, so one of the place on the north-south corridor was 1,855 kilometer from Srinagar and 1,862 kilometer from Kanyakumari. So what was the total length of the north-south corridor in 2019? So you have to add it. So the answer it is already given here. The total length of the north and south corridor was 1,855 kilometer plus 1,862 kilometer. Do you remember how to add large number? Yes. What we will do? We'll put ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. So this has been arranged. So 5 plus 2 is 7. 6 plus 5 is, I'm sorry, 6 plus 5 is 11. So 1, and we have ones place that goes to hundreds. So 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 1 is 17. So 7, this ones goes to thousands place now. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the total length of north-south corridors was 3,717 kilometer in 2019. So let us try finding some 5-digit numbers. Okay, now we have like few numbers given here and the addition is also there. So let us try finding some of 5-digit. Mahesh and his family decided to drive from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. He spends 21,800 on fuel and toll tax and 38,900 on other expenses during the journey. How much did he spend in total? So adding the large number, what we are doing, we are having ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and we are also having 10,000s because when you see he is spending more than 10,000 here, and here also it is 38,000. So let's add 0 plus 0 is 0, and we have 8 plus 0 is 8, and 9 plus 8 is 17, so 7, and we have carried 1 here which is in thousands place. So 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, so 10, 0, and 1 goes to 10,000s place. So we have 6, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. So 6 comes here. So the total spent amount is how much? 60,780. So 60,780 rupees. Okay. Next, if we keep all the digits aligned, 1 below ones, 10 below tens, and so on, we do not need to label each place value. Correct. For example, if we have given with a number 562 to add 12, and how we need to place these numbers, we have to place ones below ones, 100 below hundreds, tens below 10. For example, I am placing 562 here. In 12, which one is ones? 2 is ones and 1 is tens. And if I add this, easily if I will get answer without placing the ones, tens, hundreds. Okay. So mental track is position of the digit as you know. So this is like a mental tracking. So here they have not mentioned the digits for place. Sorry, here they have not mentioned the place value for each digit. Just we are having the track in our mind. So let us solve, find the following sum. Try not to write 10,000, 1,000, 100, tens and ones at top. Just align the digit properly, at least for the smaller numbers. So easily we can able to find. So first we have 238, 367. So I'll do it here itself. So this is the first one. 238 and 367. Okay, what I have done is done here. I have arranged the number correctly, like hundreds below hundreds, tens below tens, and ones below one. So first one we have 8 plus 7. So 8 plus 7 is 15. So 5, and this goes to tens place. So 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 6 is 10. So 0. 1 goes to hundreds place. Next 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. So how much we are getting when we add 283 plus 367? It's 605. Okay, next. Okay, next I'm going to add I'll do it in red one. Okay, so here if you see, we have thousands and also we have 10,000. Okay, first I'm going to write the big number, which is 12,345. Always write the numbers by little, giving little space. Okay, don't write the numbers closely, then it will be like very difficult for multiplying or subtracting or any addition, anything. Okay, write little gap. So next number 4 is in ones place, 3 is in tens place, 2 is in hundreds place, and 1 is in thousands place. So now I am going to add. So 5 plus 4 is 9, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3, 2 is 5, 2 plus 1 is 3, and 1. So how much we are getting? 13,579. Okay. So the place value is very, very important. That's why they are telling mental track the position of the digits as you add. So you have to track it mentally. So here if you see, I'm writing the bigger number 46,120, and next I'm writing 0, 9, 8, 2 and 1. Okay. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 9 plus 2 is 11, 8 plus 2 is 10. So 6 plus 2 is 8, 8 plus 1 is 9, 4 plus 1 is 5. So 59,010. Okay, so next one. So let's add the C one. Okay, which one is the biggest one? 123. So 123. Next you have 12. 2 is in ones place and 1 is in tens place. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 1. 135. Okay. So I'm erasing this. So these questions are going to be very, very important for your exam, students. So next one. The Great Indian Road Trip. So this one is the Great Indian Road Trip. Nazara and her friends planned a road trip across India. Starting from Delhi, they first drew to Mumbai, then Goa, then Hyderabad, and finally Puri. Look at the distance marked on the map and help them to find the total distance traveled. Okay. So here, first they started from Delhi. So where is Delhi? So I'll take a brighter one or black color. Okay. So here we have Delhi. So from Delhi, first they went to Mumbai. So where is Mumbai? So here we have Mumbai. From Delhi to Mumbai. is 1600 kilometers. Okay, we will write the kilometers side by side. Okay, so here I'm going to write the first distance, which is from Delhi to Mumbai, is 1600 kilometers. Okay, next we have Mumbai to Goa is 590 kilometers. So we can write 0 ones, 9 tens, and 5 hundreds. Next you have thousands 55, no, we have Goa to Hyderabad. So Goa to Hyderabad, it is 670. So 670. And next we have Hyderabad to Puri. So from Mumbai to Goa, Goa to Hyderabad, and Hyderabad to Puri, which is 1055. So 1055, here we can write it. So now what is the total distance? Easily you can able to add 5. So here 7 plus 9. So 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 16. Then plus 5, 16 plus 5, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So 1, balance 2. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 6, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 plus 2 is 18, 19. 9, 1. So 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have 1055 kilometers plus 1600 kilometers plus 590 kilometers plus 670 kilometers. The total distance is 3915 kilometers. How much they both travel? Nazara and her friends traveled 3915 kilometers. Okay. Next. Find two numbers among whose sum is closest to the following. So we have given with few numbers here. We have to find out which one is closest to 10,000, which one is closest to 15,000, and which one is closest to 13,000, and which one is closest to 16,000. First we will add one by one and see. Okay, I'm going to take any random number. I'm going to take 5,000. So 5,205. So 5,205, and I'll take this one. 4,840. So 5, 4, 8 plus 2 is 10, 0 balance 1. 5 plus 4 is 9, 9 plus 4, 1 is 10. So we have 10,045. So which is very close to 10,000. Okay, so we can write these two numbers, which is 5,205 plus 4,804. So we can write 5,205 and 4,804. Okay, we will try another two numbers. This is very, very simple, students. I'm going to take another one. This time I'm going to take 6,200 and 5,250. Sorry, not 250, 205. Okay, 5, 2, 4, 6 plus 5 is 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So it is 11,425. It is not close to any of these numbers. So I'm going to skip this one. Okay, next one. I'll take 8,445 plus 4,840. So 5, 9, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Balance 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. So 13,295. It is close to 13,000. So which two numbers? 8,455 and 4,840. Okay. So likewise you can try adding these numbers and you can do the rest of the things, students. It's very simple. You just need to add any of these number and see which one is coming closer. That's it. Okay. Next, subtracting the large number we will see in part 3 video. Okay, same thing. We did addition, right? Next we are going to do subtraction. Alright, if you want question paper for practice, you have to join the channel, students. Okay. Bye bye. Take care and be safe.